Welcome, everyone. Today, we have the legendary Grandmaster with us. Here's a question for you, Mr. GM. Is it even possible to checkmate someone within just 10 moves? Yes, it's absolutely possible. Really? That sounds incredible. Can you demonstrate how it's done? Of course. Let me show you. Wow! I never thought it could be done so effortlessly. That was genius. Well, what can I say? It's all about experience and strategy. You've truly shown us the brilliance of chess today. Thank you. Anytime. After all, chess is the art of thinking ahead.